Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are uploading a lot of videos, so many videos today. This is Sync Pair Stories or Evolution Stories, Hilbert. Hilbert, 5-star, Evolving Oshawott, then Evolving Duwott. 2 separate videos, guys. In the meantime, this first video will be having a day with Hilbert. I'll just play this once just to refresh everyone. Enjoy watching.
Hey!
Sure.
Thanks. All right. Sweet.
Might be those knuckleheads with the masks.
Hey!
So you already have a Samurott. Okay. Time to evolve this into a Samurott then. Do what first?
Sorry.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, you'll be reaching your full potential soon.
Please?
And with that said, time to evolve Oshawott. Oshawott, one of my favorite characters because of X speed all. Let's do it. Let's do it. 5 evolution shards out of 106. Still a lot. And you're fighting against Brendan. Awesome. And guys, as per all my evolution story videos, I want to show you guys what the sync move looks like first before evolving. So, hope we can do it.
All right.
No fair! He has a Grovyle.
We're gonna do our best. I'll teach you what a real Pokemon battle is. Do it. Here goes.
X speed all.
I've got this.
X speed all. Yes, good. Keep increasing your defense. We need that.
There you go.
Awesome.
Leave it to me.
Now don't die, okay? Don't die.
Go.
Awesome.
There's no way you can beat me. Do it. This is it. It's my turn.
Time for a sync move, guys.
This is it. Ha, no way I'll lose. Here goes.
Kapow.
Annoying.
And with that said, Oshawott is gonna evolve
Looks like I won.
right now.
Thanks for making the battle so fun. awesome.
Nice animation. Here we go, guys.
Yeah, we've come such a long way.
Ta-da! No switching or no changing of sync move yet. Or yet, rather. Why did I say yet? Because it's not yet his final evolution. We'll do it in the final video or in another video. In the meantime, let's repeat Oshawott's evolution. Show you what the sync move looks like. Just because. I'll skip this conversation.
Hey, I'll teach you what a real Pokemon battle is. Do it. Here goes.
Increase your defense.
Leave it to me.
Perfect.
I've got this. You can do it. There you go. You can do it. There you go.
Awesome.
There's no way you can beat me. Do it. I've got this. Leave it to me. This is it. It's my turn.
Guys, time for a sync move.
Ha, no way I'll lose. Here goes. That's
Exactly the same thing for now. Wait till he evolves into Samurott, guys, in the next video.
I won.
In the meantime, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends.
What?
Subscribe if you haven't. Oshawott evolution coming up in the next
It's
video.
amazing.